Okay, so nobody guessed what was in the box, and I told you it was heavy, and you can see about the size, so we're gonna reveal. When I turn it around, I'm sure you get a hint. KnifeSaga. This has just been released. User manual, VIP. Well, they do make you feel special. Let's get into it. I love new kitchen things. This is gonna be a great housewarming or wedding gift, or gift to ourselves. Look how nice that looks. And this is solid. It's not going anywhere. It's got the little rubber feet. Really nice block. I haven't even gotten to the knives. By the way, make sure you smash that follow button, because I'm going to be doing features on the purpose of each and every type of knife and the best things to use them for, all your knife skills. We're starting off with kitchen shears. I can't tell you how often I use kitchen shears for poultry, for taking the herbs off the stems, all kinds of things. So I will definitely do a reel talking about that. And we have a steel, very important to keep that honed well and keep those knives sharp. A dull knife is the worst. Look how beautiful, and look at the shine on that and how razor sharp. This is beautiful. I'm so excited. I love a good quality steak knife. Look at this. That is so nice. And yeah, people ask the question, why steak knives? You should be cooking a tender steak. It just makes the whole experience nicer, and it gives you that steakhouse feeling when you have the nice steak knife. This is the paring knife. Very nice, very nice. Every knife kind of has its little purpose. Starting to see the beautiful variety of knives that come in this set. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous knife. Now this is going to really be your slicer, but there's a lot of purposes for this one, and I will do an entire video just to dedicate to that. And here, you know, this is your serrated. It's great for bread, but this is what I use for tomatoes. So fun. Happy me. Yeah, you can make a foodie in your life really happy with something like this. And here's your chef's knife. This is the classic chef's knife, perfect for rocking, cooking, cutting herbs, spices, and also you can use it for meat, poultry, breaking down a chicken and whatever. Isn't this beautiful? Look how nice this is. It's got everything you need for all your meal prep, all your cooking, and your entertaining, because it has these beautiful steak knives. So stick around. I will be doing content to show you how to use each and every one of these knives to maximize your time and your quality of cooking.